Hi everyone, welcome back to bhollisbrand. Today I will be showing you how I am preparing my upper and my lining to be sewn together. Right here I am just cutting slits into the leather to prepare it for it to be sewn together. It just gives the leather a little leeway and a little bend once I start pulling it and sewing it together and attaching it to the shoe last. And I'm using this double-sided tape so when I sew the lining on, it won't be all over the place moving. It will just stay put. Alright guys, stay tuned, enjoy the music while I keep on working, and on tomorrow I will come back and show you how I am covering those insoles with leather. I told you on the last video that I wasn't sure how that dye was going to come out on that insole, and I really did not like it how it turned out. So tomorrow on the next video I will be showing you how I am covering those insoles. Alright guys, enjoy the music, stay tuned, and I will see you on the next video. Enjoy the music.